I'm gonna snatch all the dinosaur crystals on this planet.
Let's save this dinosaur planet. Yeah! Dinosaur summoning device upgraded successfully. Magic watch, let's summon dinosaurs. Hi, we are Little Panda Rescue Team. Let's check out what happened. Let's see if there is new information. New discovery on dinosaur. Let's check it out with Captain Kiki.
Oh no, my tooth, my tooth.
Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, what's the matter?
Please help me. My tooth hurts badly.
Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, let's check your teeth. Magic watch, activate the checkup device. The results show that Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex is weak and hasn't had anything for a long time. A scan has found a decayed tooth. Let's help get rid of the worms first. Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, please open your mouth. Yay! All worms have been removed. Now, let's extract the decayed tooth. Tie a rope to the decayed tooth first. Wow! The teeth of Tyrannosaurus Rex are so large!
Thank you. I'm feeling much better.
You're still weak and need to eat meat for regaining energy. I'll find some food for Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Magic watch, activate. Captain Kiki, super transformation! The bite force of the Tyrannosaurus Rex can break through these obstacles. Meat is hidden behind these obstacles. Break through the obstacles to get the meat. Princess Mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the Princess Mermaid.
I'll get you. I will be back.
Help! Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them!
Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them?
No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter.
Thank you, Captain Kiki.